Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zface and I'm back with another video. If you are new, you are highly welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for tuning in. You're the realest. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do colorful eyeshadow, like basically the tips and tricks on how to play with colors on your eyes. Okay, so I'm just going to get right into the video. If you're not yet subscribed, please make sure you click the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I do an upload. Okay, and see you guys in my next one. As you can see, I already have my foundation on, my lipstick and my eyeshadow, my brows, sorry. So I'm basically going to be working with just my eyes, like giving you guys all the gist, all the tips, all the tea on how to work with colors on your eyes. So guys, first and foremost, if you are a scarf guru, please don't come for me. I don't know how to do these things. Like, I just basically just try to give myself this, oh sorry baby, to give myself this beautiful tie, and just went ahead to sleek my edges a little bit. I am not a professional, so please don't come for me. Don't come for me. Make sure you don't come for me in the comment section. So because my scarf is very colorful, we're just going to go ahead and recreate something of this color, like the pink and green and black vibes. I think we're just going to see. So on my eyes, I have just a little bit of foundation, like when I was working with my face, the foundation that I had, and you guys just understand. So we're just going to be doing like the do's and don'ts. Okay, that is practically what I'm going to be doing, like things you're supposed to do and the things you're not supposed to do when working with eyeshadow or when playing with colors on your eyes. Okay, so guys, to give you guys full gist, I got some new beautiful brushes from Elegant Glow on Instagram. I'm going to leave her Instagram handle below. Make sure you check her out, Elegant Glow on Instagram. Okay, she really has amazing stuff. So this is how the brushes look like, and they are very pretty. I'm just going to open that up so you guys can see. The packaging too is fun. Oh my god. So these are the brushes. This, like, you have the small fan brush, eyeshadow blending brushes, so you guys can see, and these are like concealer brushes. Yes, this one too is like an eyeshadow brush. So these are the brushes that I got, and I think they are very affordable, guys. So just go send her DM. She's going to get you good brushes. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and use these brushes for this video. Okay, so guys, I'm going to use my right eye. Is it your right? No, it's my right eye. That is practically your left. My right eye for the do's and my left eye for the don'ts. I don't know, left is always bad. I don't well, okay. So the first thing you want to do is prime your eyes. Your eyes before doing eyeshadow, especially working with colors, you need to prime. Priming is very important. It just makes all the products that you have there to sit in there properly well, like they just balance up because you prime your eyes. If you're working with just like a plain eye, you don't prime your eye, you don't do anything, your products are going to start falling off. Basically, when you like stay long, or when immediately when you just spray your face, you're just going to see your eyes, your eyeshadow like just breaking out. All right, so let's prime. So that is the first step. The first step, you need to prime your eyes. You can either prime your eyes with an eyeshadow primer or a concealer. So I'm going to be priming my eyes today with my Ferrari Professional Makeup Long Lasting Primer. This is it. So guys, this is a new this is a new concealer set that I got, and it's very amazing, very beautiful. I got it from Glam by Queen on Instagram. I'm going to leave her Instagram handle. You guys should just check them out and support your own, because they are all Cameroonian distributors. Okay, so to prime my eye, I'm going to go ahead and use this color right here, this one. And then to prime my eye, I'll be using this very flat brush. this very flat concealer brush to do that. I hope you guys can see. Okay, so let's just get it. Let's get it. So what most people do is, like, for the don'ts, people like just come and organize this foundation that I have here. Okay, just a little bit, and then they'll just start working. Practically you can start working like this, but I prefer priming with like an eyeshadow primer or your concealer that you use to highlight, just to make your eyes, you know, ready and prepared for whatever thing you're putting on it. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with a little bit of that, and I'll just start priming. So when I'm priming, I'm just going to prime just this area, and then I try to just pat that in, then moving the product towards my brow bone area. So I practically like to prime with the concealer that I use under my brows, just so that when I move that up, it just matches with the one that I have under my brow bone area. So I'm just going to prime that. So you want to be careful if you already have your foundation on. So this is what I have. This is the do and this is the don'ts. Like, kind of, you can still work with this one, but I feel like this base you have here is just like a little bit of foundation, and it's kind of dark. So whatever product I'm putting here is going to come out very brightly, and it's going to come out very like so pigmented. It's going to look so pigmented than here. So the next thing you want to do is blend your primer. Blend whatever thing you put on your eye, be it concealer or eyeshadow primer. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with an eyeshadow blending brush, and let me blend this side first. Take that, we just blend this foundation in here. Okay, and then I'll just go ahead and blend this side. So what I'm doing is I'm just pressing that onto my skin. To set, I'm just going to set my under eye. Okay, and I'll be using my Zickel powder in natural. So I'll go into my eyeshadow blending brush and I'll set this area. Practically that under part of your eye is supposed to be bright, so I'm using like a really bright powder to just, you know, not too bright, but at least it should be reasonably bright. Like, don't come and use white, something like white. Okay, so that's how it's looking. I'm just going to set only this area that I have here. Okay, because my eyeshadow is going to basically be here. And then for the don'ts, practically what many people do is either they go in with something too bright, you know, what can I even use? Let me just use this color. Some people set their under eye with this very, like, something that is too bright for them. So see a difference. Okay, let me just blend this out. Let me not be too harsh on this other baby girl right here. So there is a great difference between this part and this part, sorry, than the difference you have here and here. So it just kind of makes your eye look really crazy, and it doesn't really look really natural. So I'm not just going to set this part that I'm going to be working on, because that is the part that I have primed, and that is the part I'm going to be working on. So let's just get right into it. Okay, first things first, we go into transitioning. Okay, I'm going to be using this full face eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using this color right here for the light transition. Just go into that color, and I'm just going to place that here. Place that here. Like, this is my transition. Okay, personally that looks fine. Looks fine. And then for the do, I'm going to just, you know, go ahead and blend. This is fine. This looks practically really blended, and it blended really well than this other side. Okay, so that's point note number one. I hope you guys have your jotters. Just be jotting for everything I'm saying. Okay, then next I'll go into this precise brush, and I practically do not know what I want to do right now, but since we're working with colors, we should work with colors. We're going into this deep blue right here. Okay, just going to pack this here. Seriously, I don't know what I'm doing, guys, but then I'll move that here. Towards my crease. Okay, this is what I have. And then for this other eye, I'm just going to use this eyeshadow blending brush to put that there. Use the same brush just so that you guys can see. This eye looks beautiful though, like, but so I'm going to blend. So practically this blue looks brighter than this other blue. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend that color. So I'm just blending it gradually. Just want to blend, and I'm using this fluffy brush to just blend it. Then for this other eye, I'll use this normal flat brush to just blend those two colors. Okay, so I have this beautiful transition thing going on here, but this side I couldn't just have the transition because the white color that I had here kind of overshadowed the transitioning that I was trying to create. Okay, so moving ahead to cutting your crease, it is very important for you to use a very bright color of concealer or primer to cut your crease. So I'll be using this white pigment in this Ferrarucci concealer palette to cut my crease here. And for this other eye, I'm going to use a very darker color of concealer to cut my crease. I'll use this dark color here. Taste that. Just a little bit, not too much, because probably I'm just going to cut my crease. So probably the product that I'm going to apply here is going to be way brighter than the product I'm going to apply here. Okay. I'll go into this pink color. Spray that just so that it picks it up very well. So I'm just pressing that on top of that white priming that I have. And then the pink. I'm going to put that very well so that you guys don't say I'm discriminating with one eye. I'm just doing the same things but in two different ways. Can you guys tell this difference? Like, the difference is so clear, like it's really clear. Okay, so guys, you can actually tell the difference between these two eyes. Okay, and I hope you guys really understood what was going on. So if you want your eyeshadow to really look pigmented or really bright, use a bright color of base, or a bright color of base, of the base you use. The base you use should be very bright. What am I the base you use should be like really bright. Okay, and it's going to really help with your whatever you're doing. Oh my god, I feel like I could do this look and post on Instagram. Okay, girl. So I'll just blend in the contour areas. Excuse me. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope this video was really helpful, so you can tell the difference between this eye and this other eye. So I just went ahead to apply some lashes, my eyeliner, and some glitter. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you did learn something, let me know in the comment section as well. Okay, and see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.